how to quickly check what kind of MIDI messages your controller is sending. So you can do this via a web browser. I highly recommend you to use Chrome. It only works with a few compatible web browsers here, but Chrome on Mac OS or on Win will work. So you can just open up this URL here, blog.abletondrummer.com/online-MIDI-Monitor, and then you will get to this page here and just look what happens here. So if I connect my MIDI controller, the MPD 218 port A, which is the controller here I'm using, is turning up. You can select from which MIDI controllers you want to receive the MIDI and have this displayed. You can change the type and then it will show up, and it's per default set to maximum rows of 10. You can obviously set this up higher if you want to, so we set this up to 100. Let's set clear, and now we get a list of 100 if needed, and this is all without having to install any MIDI monitor or to buying anything. Just quickly check what's happening here. So the beauty here is that you can just plug and play this in, open your web browser on desktop, Windows, or on Mac OS. This is based on the web browser here. Again, I would advise to use Chrome, as Chrome is most advanced in MIDI usage here. Firefox and Edge should work as well, but if you have the newest version of Chrome, you are safe. Okay, so obviously if you're using Ableton Live, just quickly to show you, if you want some channel monitoring here in pop-up windows, which can help you to stay on top of which controller here is sending what, and maybe if you, there is some aftertouch AT being shown, so you didn't expect this, for example, so you can see that one in here, and you can have this on a per channel base, and you don't have to go into the track view here, but you can have pop-up windows which can be saved, and the position can be stored and placed on here as well. Those are Max for Live devices. If you have Max for Live is included in Ableton Live Suite or can be bought as an add-on towards Ableton Live Standard. You can get this pop-up MIDI monitor devices. Just follow the links in the video description, and I linked the web browser MIDI monitor here as well in the video description, so you can quickly see what kind of values I'm sending here. And I wasn't aware that I got some channel pressure from this controller here as well, so I just found out. So this could be nice for using the channel pressure here to maybe change the frequency of a filter here to have like a bass being so stuff like that. So that's always good to know what your controller is sending, especially when you're running into issues, then sometimes MIDI is just the problem here. So this is one quick and easy way to find out what messages are actually floating around in the background here. Just follow the link in the video description if you want to check it out. Take care. Bye-bye.